Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to pin on Apple Maps. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and open Apple Maps on your device. So it can be an iPhone, iPad, or a Mac. Now you did that, let's see what we have in front of us. As you can see, here we have the search maps. You have, of course, the search bar. You have your favorites, where you have been the most, where you can, of course, put them. The recent. We have your compass and your profile, as you can see here with the microphone. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and pin on Apple Maps. So find the location you want to pin, for instance, this one, as where we are at the moment. You can do this by using the search bar or manually navigating to the map. So you can do it by this, by clicking on this here, or you can, as I told you, click on the maps. Then tap to hold the location on map until a pin drops. Click and hold the location until a pin appears, like this. And it will, of course, then put a pin. If needed, you can drag the pin to more precise location. Tap the pin to see options like saving it from your favorites, sharing the location, or getting directions. Dropping a pin can be particularly useful for making specific spots you want to revisit or share with others. If you need any further assistance, of course, you can go and type anything in the comments. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.